Okay. Well, welcome. We're here at Rustica. It's Wisdom Wednesday, and we're here with Naylin at Rustica, and she's going to talk about some of the beautiful things here. And we are lucky to have some of our stained glass here at the store. And so, let's get this show on the road. Okay, let's start with the stained glass.
So we're super excited for Christmas here at Rustica. We're just barely getting into that mode, and we're going to carry some of Jeannie's stained glass, which I'm super excited about. I think it will look awesome. Super handmade. We love handmade, custom, pretty things here. Not so much all of the bulk kind of stuff. So,
oh, wonderful!
Yeah.
Well, and I love how you've done your design and. So do you do part of the setting up of all of this display?
I think everyone here in the showroom just helps out. We all have different tastes, so things get moved around a lot.
Very cute. Oh, look what I found. All right. Well, let's just take people around the store and we can talk about some different things that you have on display.
Okay. So Rustica is all about a mixture of metal and wood and leather and that kind of stuff. So let me show you a table that Paul just recently built. Paul and Kate Allen are our owners, and he just made both these tables actually recently.
Oh, beautiful.
So mixture of the metals and wood.
So just inlaid metal. And what kind of metal and wood do you know? I mean, not like I would know the difference, but someone might.
This one I'm not sure. We mostly use, most of our products are made out of knotty alder. This isn't knotty alder, so I'm not sure what that one is.
Okay.
It may be cottonwood off of his farm. So,
Ooh, well, you can have my cottonwood trees.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. But Rustica, mostly we focus on doors. We do a lot of barn doors, entry doors. Doors are kind of our thing, definitely our thing. They started in their basement 15 years ago, Kate and Paul, and it's grown from there.
Wow. Okay, so moving along here. So you say you're going to get started to decorate for Christmas soon, huh?
Yeah, before too long, I hope we get it going. We're behind, maybe we'll see, I don't know.
Oh, nah.
Maybe we should wait till Halloween, right?
Sure, then people are ready.
Right.
Okay, so you sell furniture, doors, and also just odds and ends?
Odds and ends, decorative stuff, cute little things for your home. So my favorite are definitely the doors. Like I love this one with the frosted glass and the black metal. It's a pretty look. Great for an office or dividing a living room, you know, kind of.
So it gives you privacy,
but lets the light still come through.
Yeah, that's a lot what we talk about in stained glass too.
Oh, really?
Is that you have the light coming through and the glow, but if you have colored glass in it, then it's also privacy.
Right, perfect. It's a great mixture there. What other questions can I answer for you?
Okay, all right. Should we talk about these things?
Yes, this is our little bargain nook, and we have a bunch of product in here. Great wrapping product, but they also have beautiful glass ware that is on clearance right now. Most things are $1, $3, $5.
Wow.
Total bargain shopping in here. I've done a lot of Christmas sales already up in this nook.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. Super cute stuff.
Okay, so now let's head toward the doors, your favorite thing.
Yeah, my favorite thing is the doors.
Okay, we got some letters.
Yeah.
Wow.
Lots of metal. We make tables.
So
chairs.
beautiful.
Yeah.
You make the chairs?
We didn't make these, not right here, but
Wow.
yeah.
But you do.
Yeah. Yep. So super fun. We
Cute
also
little
carry
hutch.
some antiques. Yeah. We just sold that one. It's an antique hutch. So we have scattered throughout the showroom a bunch of antiques that add a character and lots of fun.
You bet.
Yeah.
Very fun.
I love that little one right there. Isn't that
Oh,
cute?
look at that. How cute.
Yes.
I've seen some recently that people have hung on the wall, just kind of a hutch on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
And put plates and stuff.
Yeah. Something your grandma would have had, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yep. So this is the door room. These are as-is doors that we get back returns or if they duplicate an order. So this is an inexpensive way to buy a really pretty barn door.
Wow.
our production center, they make them brand new and perfect and beautiful, but these are returns, so
Okay.
lots of them have sold back here, waiting for building to be done, that kind of thing.
Ooh,
And all
yeah,
different
that's
kinds
pretty.
of styles. Don't you love that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I do too. All
This is
different styles
interesting.
and yeah, look at that wood.
Wow.
But if you can find a size that fits your space back here, it's a bargain way to go.
Wow, I'll say.
Yeah.
But most of them are custom, you think?
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, you can put in your exact measurements and your wood and your finish and your metals and all that stuff. And it's really custom.
Okay, well, to wrap up, is there anything that you just want to say about Rustica, about even the owners, or about what you carry here that really stand out?
I love all things Rustica. So our owners are awesome. Paul and Kate have a vision and they're super great and just good people to the core. And we're excited to carry some of Jeannie's stuff here. So,
All right. Well, thank you very much.
thanks for coming in.